has been shown that the so-called waste like Tigernut shafts has a lot of health benefits like kidney and liver protection, improved blood sugar control, heart health, and anti-inflammatory properties. I'm Asia Oyagbola, the founder and creative director at Dulcet Pastries and Drinks, an innovative agroprocessing brand dedicated to transforming waste into wellness. According to the International Diabetes Federation, Nigeria is the country with the highest number of diabetes cases, estimated to 3.9 million. Also in Nigeria, 40% of food produce is lost or wasted, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization. We address these challenges by reprocessing Tigernut shafts into gluten-free baking flour, catering to the needs of diabetes and gluten-intolerant individuals while reducing food waste and promoting sustainable agriculture. We have created over 20 excellent recipes from scratch using Tigernut shafts like cakes and bread, among others. We are seeking for a dehydrator to ease the drying process. This will create tech job opportunities, reduce food insecurity, and support the agriculture sector. Our goals align with SDG 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.